Alright, what do we have here? Oh, what do we have here? Spooky decorations! Alright, well now even spookier truck. We have a 1987 F450 with a 460 gas. This thing's got a stinger, it's a wrecker bed. It's totally the best truck that was ever made on Earth. This is the beautiful engine. Look at this, so beautiful. This is the side. Someone hit this and I cut it off. I have another piece, I just got to weld it on. And the wheel well needs to be cut better for that piece I made. Alright, let's start it up. It's cold. It starts right up. Oh, 5-speed, 2-wheel drive. So it runs, no ticks, no knocks. Well, I guess the exhaust has a little tick. I think there's a crack somewhere. It goes away after a couple seconds. The lifters don't tick, the motor don't knock. Finally, I gotta put some power steering fluid in. Overall, the greatest truck ever created. Look how gorgeous it is. Basically the best truck on the road today as we speak, even something that's brand new at 0 miles. This is better. Or maybe it's not, I don't know. But this is it. How many miles are on this thing? I have no idea. Who knows if that's accurate? I can't see, almost looks like there's another number under there. 711, I don't know. But it runs, it starts, it shifts, it brakes usually. I think the hydro boost needs to be rebuilt. It's leaking some fluid, so once you're out of power steering fluid, you lose the brakes. Otherwise, it works great. Yeah. It's the greatest interior of all time. The most comfortable truck ever made in the history of trucks. Drive straight up the side of a mountain with this truck. The side of a wall. You could actually drive straight up the Sears Tower with this truck. Not even kidding. It's provable facts. How the fuck does this come out? Alright, I gotta push this thing. It's worth like $150 million, but I'm gonna sell it for less than that.